Welcome to IT Handy Guide tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to install WordPress latest version. Firstly, you have to try to Google download WordPress old version. So when you Google download WordPress old version, the first result, you go there, and then you can see all the different versions. At the moment, 6.0.2 is the latest version, so you are going to click this one. It will download a zip file. After you download the latest version, and then you have to find the file. So I have downloaded 6.0.2. This is a zip file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to my PHP admin. So I'm going to open Chrome and go to localhost and port 8888. I changed the port in previous video, and go to the PHP my admin. Press enter. It will ask me to log in PHP my admin. In my case, I just type my username and password. So after I log in, I'm going to create a new database. It's called WordDemo01. In this case, I'm going to new and give a database name and click create. After that, if I go to I need to copy the WordPress now. Okay. So I have created a new database. It's called WordDemo01. So now I'm going to copy the WordPress file to the Apache HT document that is in C drive, Apache HTDOCS. This is our document root. So I have to copy the WordPress file into here and unzip. Okay, so this is my WordPress. Then I need to change the name to WordDemo01. So this is all my WordPress file. So I'm going to Ctrl X to cut this folder. And going back to here, this is our document root, Ctrl V to paste. So now I can delete these two. So this is my PHP admin, and this is my WordPress website, the first WordPress website. Okay, so I need to go to my WordPress website. So here you are. I need to go to localhost and slash. Then I need to copy the folder name over here. So that when I get into here, it will start the WordPress installation. In the first step, you have to select your language. In my case, I select English Australia, or I can use the default English United States. I press continue. And let's go. Over here, you have to select your data. You have to type your database name. In my case, my database name is WordDemo01, so I copy and paste to here. And this is my username and password. If you go to new and user account, this is all the username and password you have. Okay. Be honest with you, you should create a new username. It's called WordDemo01. That means this user can only log in to WordDemo01. But I'm lazy, so I don't want to create a new one. I just try to use the root in my tutorial. But in the real world, you should create just the one user, and not one user can only connect to the WordDemo01 database. Okay. Therefore, you have to type your username and password over here. I use root, but you shouldn't use root. Okay. And over here, this is your database host. My SQL Server is currently in my local machine, so I should type localhost. The table prefix will start with WP underscore. So I'm going to click submit. and run the installation. Okay, so in this step, you have to give a name for your website. In my case, the website name is WordDemo01. When you type the name will appear in here, okay? So you need to give a username and password for your WordPress. In my case, my username and password will be admin. And the password is I think Handy Guy is nice. Okay, and you need to give an email. In this case, my email is this one, junk to me now. Of course, this is my junk mail. Alright, the email must be true because when you try to reset your password, they will send the email. They will send the reset email to this one. The last one, this discourage search engine from including this indexing this site. What does that mean? Okay, do you want Google can search your website? If yes, then you don't tick this one. If you don't want Google to search your website, then you tick that one. Okay, so in my case, I want everybody know my website, so I don't tick that one. I'm going to install WordPress. It takes a while to install, then log in. Then you have to type your username and password. In my case, that is this one, username, and this is my password. Remember me, log in, that's all. Okay, so I just log into the WordPress admin dashboard. If I go to update over here, I will be able to see my current version. Okay, look at this URL. If you copy this URL, you will go to your WordPress website. So this is your WordPress website looks like. Okay, this is your WordPress website looks like. And if you type wp-admin, then you will go to the admin page. So remember these two URL. This is the URL of your website. This is your URL for your website admin. And that's it. You need to remember these two URL. When you go to the over here, this is the PHP My Admin. You try to click the WordDemo01, you will see there are a lot of table for WordPress. And all the table will start with WP_. This is our prefix we set up previously. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.